Deep within the forests and frozen wilderness of the northern hemisphere, a silent conversation is taking place. It is a language without words, carried by the wind, hidden in scents, and expressed through movements that most humans never notice. For centuries, wolves have been feared as dangerous predators. Legends describe them as creatures of darkness, symbols of violence and destruction. But science has revealed a very different truth. Behind the powerful image of the wolf is an intelligent and deeply social animal whose survival depends on trust, cooperation, and communication. A wolf does not need words to understand its family. A movement of the tail, a change in posture, or a single look can carry a message. To another wolf, these signals are as meaningful as a human conversation. Their greatest strength is not their teeth or their speed. It is their ability to understand one another. A wolf pack is not simply a group of hunters. It is a family. Inside a hidden den, newborn pups enter the world helpless and completely dependent on those around them. Their survival relies on the entire pack. The mother protects them, while other wolves bring food and help care for the young. As the pups grow, they begin learning the rules of their world through observation. Every playful chase and every gentle wrestling match teaches them important lessons about communication, cooperation, and trust. They watch the adults carefully, learning how to greet family members, how to avoid conflict, and how to move together through the wilderness. Most wolf packs are not controlled by constant fighting or dominance. They are families guided by experience. The older wolves protect and teach, while younger wolves slowly become the next generation of hunters. The pack survives because every wolf matters. Every wolf is constantly communicating. The tail reveals emotions. A relaxed tail shows calmness, while a raised tail can signal confidence. A lowered tail may show respect or caution. The ears tell another story. Forward-facing ears show attention, while ears pulled back can communicate fear or submission. Even the eyes have meaning. Gentle eye contact strengthens relationships, while intense staring can warn another wolf to keep distance. These signals allow wolves to solve problems without unnecessary fights. In the wild, injuries can be deadly. A wounded wolf cannot hunt, and a weakened pack becomes vulnerable. Because of this, wolves have developed a remarkable ability to understand each other and prevent conflict before it begins. Their silent language keeps the family together. A wolf's communication extends far beyond what the eye can see. The forest itself becomes a message board. Through scent marking, wolves leave invisible signs that tell others who has passed through, which territory is occupied, and where boundaries exist. These messages allow neighboring packs to avoid dangerous encounters. But when distance separates family members, wolves rely on another powerful form of communication: the howl. A wolf's howl is not simply a frightening sound in the night. It is a call of connection. It helps lost wolves find their family. It warns others that a territory is occupied. It allows individuals to recognize familiar voices across vast landscapes. When a pack howls together, their voices become one. It is not a sound of loneliness. It is the sound of belonging. When winter approaches and food becomes harder to find, the wolf's language becomes a tool for survival. A hunt is not controlled by commands. It is guided by trust. Each wolf watches the movement of the others. A small change in direction, a quick glance, or a subtle movement can influence the entire group. The strongest hunters are not always the most important. Success comes from cooperation. Young wolves learn by following experienced adults. Their mistakes become lessons, and every hunt teaches them how to survive. When food is found, the pack shares the reward. Pups, injured wolves, and those unable to hunt still depend on the family. The wolf pack survives because it protects every member. Today, scientists continue discovering more about the hidden world of wolves. Research has shown that they can recognize individuals, remember relationships, solve problems, and adapt to different situations. Their intelligence is not like ours, but it is perfectly designed for their world. Wolves understand the wilderness through scent, sound, movement, and experience. They read the environment like a story written across the land, and their influence reaches far beyond their own family. As a keystone species, wolves help maintain balance in the ecosystems they call home. For generations, humans heard the howl of the wolf and believed it represented danger. But perhaps we were listening to the wrong message. Perhaps the howl was never a warning. Perhaps it was a family calling to one another across the wilderness. A reminder that survival is not only about strength. It is about connection. Deep within the forests, mountains, and frozen landscapes of the world, wolves continue to speak a language older than humanity itself. A language written in movement, carried by scent, and sung through the night sky. A language of loyalty, a language of trust, a language of wolves.